What's going on, everybody? This is Christian, and I'm coming up to you guys with a 2020 big rig build off update. Haven't did much. Been waiting for the April to get here so I can start on it. This is what I got done so far on the truck.
She posted this nude in the weeds photo for her 73rd birthday. And now you can learn.
Here's the cab. I got the cab and everything painted. Everything related to the cab painted so far. To get that out of the way. It's almost the same color as the W900 that I'm working on. See the stripes, and I gotta do some correct the lines. But that's the paint scheme for the cab.
And I told her, when this is all over and you don't need me anymore to do it, I'd like to still keep doing that. Okay?
These two are so playful and know each other so well, so I made them close their eyes and play that relationship game that J-Lo and A-Rod played. Who made the first move that
Then you
when
got
you
your
first met?
lower panels here.
That's because he gave me a pop brownie.
Probably see the metallic in it. Beautiful. Everybody knows when they build this kit, you can't glue these into the bottom of the cab, because when you go to put the interior in, the interior will break them off. If anybody knows about these those Aerodyne kits, or at least the Kenworth kind, you can't do that. You can't put the interior in after gluing your headlight bezels in and stuff.
How much do we just love that couple? And Mario,
There's the other one.
Get this, Suzanne and Alan are hosting a virtual happy hour on Facebook Live.
And here's the roof.
Hey, I'm always up for any type of happy hour. Let's do it. All right, next up. Feeling down about your quarantine life? Well, comedian Jim Gaffigan is here to put it all in perspective. It's only on Access, so stay right here.
Matt LeBlanc and Bellamy Young.
It's all been cleared. It ain't the greatest clear though. I can't get that spiffy shine that most people get on their trucks. As long as it's a clear coat and it's cleared and it's shiny and it protects the paint, it's good. That's all that matters to me.
Join me, Dr. Oz, as we bring you breaking medical news on the coronavirus outbreak.
Let me show you what I don't know if you can tell what it would look like on top of the.
I was in the progress of going from one job site to another.
Let's see here if I can.
Not one. I just saw a wreck on Facebook. It literally just happened.
See what happens next at TrumanLaw.com. A lot can change in today's world. What's not changing is our
And let me see if I can migrate over here to the closet and see if I can find my doors. I had to put it in the china cabinet to keep the dust off of it for a while until I get to it again. But there's the doors. As well as the other one.
Choose the fully loaded fry sub or the Philly cheesesteak. Rally's new bacon steak sub. Get Rally's delivered.
Tony BRD and St. Jude are giving away a house. Here's how you can reserve your ticket to win it. Go to BRD.com, click on the home giveaway tab to register. Tickets are limited.
Let me see what's in the box here. I think I got some stuff together in the box. See if I can work that out for you real quick. Hold on.
Who's in a room yet?
Hold on for 1 second. Here's the Kenworth, if you guys could see that in the background. Got the airlines and stuff on that truck finally. I wish Revell would have made one like this instead of the Aerodyne. Look a whole lot better. Here we go. I haven't done too much with anything else. Just getting ready to throw on the frame here sometime today. Here's the wheels. I don't know if I've showed you these.
Dr. Judy Ho is here with tips on how to make sure your relationship survives and thrives. What do you suggest so that we can maintain those healthy relationships within the confines of quarantine? Boundaries, I'm assuming.
These are, if I can think.
You definitely want to make sure to have good boundaries.
I'm trying to think what these came off of.
Physical boundaries and mental boundaries. So whether it's a corner of a room or
Crap.
your table or desk, whenever you're there, it means that you need some time by
There you go.
yourself. And it's good to communicate to your partner how long you might be there. I think you have to give yourself time to adjust.
I think these are, yeah, these are the AMT K100 rims. And then I just put some random tires over top of it. And they look pretty good. I like them. They're a different tread pattern, but they look really good.
Make an appointment to always have coffee with your partner.
Here's the other front.
Most of us will have the luxury of that now.
Damn, I hate trying to do this on the phone. I can't.
In quarantine, have you
Trying
noticed
to
any
adjust.
trends? You learn a lot about
There
how
we go.
people deal with stress. Some people deal with stress. They really
There's the rears.
attack it and they become extremely productive. And some people deal with stress by really needing to just lay back and lay low and relax and reduce stimuli.
How do we, in a very calm, communicative, respectful way, articulate when we need more of something, like less video games or less of this?
Another important thing is
I said there's all the rims. Oh, excuse me.
So sometimes we see our partners doing certain things and we
And as far as everything else in the cab, it's in the box is still there. Got to break open the rest of that stuff, but that's what's going on with the Kenworth. Because right now everything's been painted, or at least the cab's been painted, as you can see.
Needless arguments and fights. Do you have date night ideas? Discover new hobbies, play board games.
The frame's going to get lengthened,
and make your home a
and then when it's lengthened, then I'm going to up here. I got a stash of fenders. I got minus that hood there. I got some half fenders, resin half fenders. I got flame full fenders here. I got a deep paint. I gotta get the paint off of them, and then I got some double humps. And all these fenders and stuff came from. Where's he at? You guys know who this person is?
I am on, I don't know, week 3,000.
That's where I get most of my resin fenders from. I don't really get them off. He doesn't really send them to me. I just catch him whenever he's at a hobby show around here in Indiana. But that's what's going on with everything, and in about a week or so, I shall have an update on the frame and how that's looking, and we'll go on from there. Thanks, everybody.